Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Conventions for indicating units. Following points should be kept in mind. Number one, full name of the unit does not begin with a capital letter, even if named after a scientist. For example, Newton. Number two, the symbol of unit named after a scientist has initial capital letter such as capital N for Newton. Number three, the prefix should be written before unit without any space, such as 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meters should be written as 1 millimeter. Number 4, a combination of base units is written each one space apart, for example, Newton meter. Number 5, compound prefixes are not allowed. For example, 1 microfarad may be written as 1 picofarad. Actually, 1 microfarad is a wrong interpretation. Number 6, a number such as 5 into 10 to the power plus 4 centimeter may be expressed in scientific notation as 5 into 10 to the power plus 2 meters, or 1 kilometer square should be written as 1 into 10 to the power 6, as kilo mean 10 to the power 3. So 10 to the power 3 square mean 10 to the power 6 and meter square. So 1 kilometer square is actually the area of unit, and 1 kilometer square is equal to 1 into 10 to the power 6 meter square, or 1 million meter squares. 10 over 6 is actually equal to 1 million. When we say 1 million, then it means 10 to the power 6. Number 7, all the measurements must be converted to appropriate SI base units. So these are the basic points which should be kept in mind for indicating the units in literature. Thank you, students. Keep watching the lecture videos of physics and different subjects on cancollege.com. Thank you again.